Hi there, and welcome to Tech Lighten Me. In this video, I want to show you how to clone a voice with ElevenLabs. Start by navigating to the ElevenLabs website and have the app open with your account signed in. First, it's important to note that you will need a paid plan before you can clone a voice. At the time of this recording, you can clone a voice with a starter account. To make a professional voice clone, you'll need a creator account. I've added a link in the description to make it easier for you to sign up to a paid plan, and it also helps the channel. So once you have a paid plan, go ahead and navigate to the Voices tab. On this page, you are going to see this button to add a new voice. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll have a few options to choose from. To clone a voice, select the Instant Voice Cloning option. You can go ahead and give the voice a name. Next, you'll need to upload samples that ElevenLabs can use to clone the voice. This should be voice recordings of the voice or person talking in a natural way. The sample recordings should be of good quality without background noise. Next, you can give the voice some labels and a description. Lastly, you'll have to confirm that you have the rights to clone this voice. Once that's done, just click on Add Voice, and the cloning process will start. If you're unhappy with how the voice sounds, you can always try the Professional Voice Cloning feature, which provides much better results. If you select it, you'll be taken through the same steps I already showed in this video. You will also be prompted to give a live recording of your voice to ensure that you have the right to clone the voice. And that's how to clone your voice with ElevenLabs. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.